Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on your Honda Civic. This is a 2016 EX model, but other models with the 2-liter engine will have the same airbox location as well, different years, so 2017, 18, and 19. So first off, you're going to locate the airbox location, which is really easy to find. It's right here at the front. And there's a snap here on the left-hand side and a snap here on the right-hand side. So first you're going to unclip that, and unclip that, and your airbox cover is just going to lift right off. And underneath there you'll see the air filter. So you pull that out and you can see mine is absolutely filthy. It's time to change that up. The other thing you're going to notice when you put this back together, there is little loops, plastic loops, that these prongs here need to go into. So make sure when you put the housing back on that those line up. I'll pull out the new air filter now. So I happened to pick up this Fram CA12051 from the auto parts store. It was $16.99, way cheaper than the $50 they want at the oil change place. You can see the difference. That's the new one, that's the old one. I guess that's upside down, but still it's the same color. And we'll show you how to put this one back in. So here we go, we're gonna install the filter. You want to make sure this angled edge is on the left hand side and this ridge is on the top. You lift up the air housing and it goes right in there. And again, you want to make sure these teeth first of all go into the notches at the back to push them in, and then you just clip the clips back on, and that's all there is to it. Super easy to do. I hope this helps you out and saves you some money. Please like and subscribe. I've also got some other videos on the Honda Civic, an under the hood tutorial, that sort of thing. I'll post those at the end. Please let me know if you have any questions, and thank you very much for watching. Take care.